First thing I have from myglamm is I wanted a face palette because I travel a lot and I want to carry as little makeup as possible. So this is, there were like 2 variants of this, and Rise and Shine is the variant name, and this was around 459 rupees, but I guess it was 499 for me. Sorry, 399 for me, so 400 rupees. And it has oh, it has powder too. It has transparent, what do you call, translucent powder. It's quite white and it does have white cast, but yeah, it fits. It's very smooth actually. It does feel very high quality. This was hardly around 400-500 rupees, and this one is supposed to be blush according to the website, but the pan is very narrow, so I guess we can use that as a eyeshadow if we wanted. And it also matches with what we have on as well, so we can go in with an eyeshadow brush. This is pack 033. And does it have any payoff? Yeah, slight payoff. So this shade doesn't have like a huge payoff pigmentation wise. And I'm gonna blend this and this shade. This is like a matte brown. Both of these are matte, and we have 2 shimmer shades. Both of these are matte. I'm gonna blend it into inner corner. Very lightly. I don't want to like go in full. I kind of want to keep it like a Korean makeup, peachy, so not too much brown. And I can go in with my bottom lash line because I don't want to apply lipstick so close to my lash, so it's good that we have powder eyeshadow. And we have 2 shimmer shade. Let me swatch them for you. So this golden one is supposed to be used as highlighter, as if you wanted, and also eyeshadow. That's why it's face palette. Let me swatch the pink one for you first and the gold one. So they are quite I mean, the gold one for an highlighter, it's too in your face, so I don't think I'll use that for a highlighter ever, but for an eyeshadow it has quite good pigment. And the pink one is so much like a cool tone peach, not exactly pink, so people with my skin tone will enjoy this. Let me do that for you guys. So I'm taking this pink one shimmer shade and I'm gonna apply on my lid with my finger, just keeping it very natural, not too much, just slight shimmer. It is good actually. It's giving me Korean vibe only, like, you know how Koreans have very bland shimmers and they look amazing. I approve of this palette. I love this palette. And I'm gonna try and take this, it's very small pan, but this brown matte shade. I'm gonna take this, disperse it, and it is doing something, but it's not too pigmented. So is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I don't know. It depends on you, how you want things. This palette for 500 rupees is worth it, especially when you are traveling. For everyday makeup, I don't think you like that, but you know, you want to just, if you want to just travel with one product, this is good investment.